It means a lot to me, man. Especially, I wasn't recruited till like at the end of my season in high school. Kind of a slap in the face, but at the end of the day, I wasn't worried about that. I was just worried about my brothers, fighting for my brothers at the end of the day, making sure we go out there with a chip on our shoulder, and that's what we did.
I know there's so much talk about Jameis in the passing game so far this year, but you and James especially took center stage tonight. Just talk about the running game in general.
I feel like we played as a unit. Jameis Winston, the offensive linemen, receivers, they had a lot to do with our success tonight. If you look at the film, you got KB them running like 30 yards down the field blocking. Offensive linemen doing a tremendous job. Jameis pass games, what he been doing, kind of helped us with the run game. So I just feel like we played as a whole unit tonight, and we came out and we dominated as a whole team.
11 for 15 on third down conversions. How important was that? Especially there's some 3rd and 1s and 2s in there that you guys were able to pound out.
Playing a great team like Miami, you always got to be consistent. You always got to get the third down run because you want to keep a great offense like their offense off the field at all times. Try to keep our offense on the field. Give our defense a rest. So I think it's just important just to do those little things. All that little stuff like that matters.
How important was it at the beginning of the 3rd quarter for the defense to get that stop and you guys come out and
like we tell each other, man. Like we tell each other all day before we went out. We just told each other, man, D, y'all get a stop, we're going to win the game for y'all boys. And that's what happened. They got a stop, we won the game for them.
The screen pass or swing pass for a touchdown with your offensive lineman running all the way down the field for you. What did you see on that play?
Well coached, well executed, and it was just a well-designed play. You look at the whole offensive lineman, they just set it up. Jameis made a great throw. The receivers blocking way down the field again. Josue blocking, running like 30 yards down the field. He ran the whole end zone with me. And it was just phenomenal, man. It was just a great game.
With the 2 top 10 wins now, you guys really get that feeling that this could be one of those special seasons? I feel
like it could be that special season if we just play one game at a time and still dominate. We got Wake Forest next. We're gonna enjoy the night, but tomorrow and Monday we're gonna get focused on Wake Forest.